Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, and I have got a few new subscribers, my name's Carissa. I'm a mum of 2 teenage children and a wife. Currently I am staying at home, so this is going to be a whole house cleanup. Just surface cleaning, no deep cleaning involved. Just going to pick up everything that, gets left behind in the morning when you're getting ready for school and work and working out and doing all that other great stuff that you do. So I'm going to start in the kitchen and just give that a general cleanup. It probably did need a little bit more than normal. I did bake a loaf of bread. If you are new here, you probably don't know, but I actually do keto, so I have to bake my own bread because commercial breads have way too many carbs in them. So I'm just putting everything away. I'm also putting away my new bread maker that you can see there and giving the actual pan thing a wash because it can't go in the dishwasher. I don't see why anybody makes anything that doesn't go in a dishwasher. Normally I don't buy any appliance that can't go in the dishwasher, but I needed a bread maker, so that's what I got. So this part of the kitchen is always a mess, and I mean always a mess. I need to find a new organisation system for over here because there is just cords and tablets and all sorts of things over there, and currently I've just got them sitting in like plastic containers that I'm not using for food storage, and as you can see it's not working out very well because it just gets overloaded with stuff. So this is what they call a hot zone. This is where everything gets dumped when you come home from wherever you've been, or you've got paperwork or receipts, that's where it gets dumped. So I need to work out a new system for that. If you've got any ideas, leave it in the comments down below. Would love to hear some ideas. I do see some really good ideas, but yeah, I don't know what to do with it. And we don't have a filing cabinet at the moment, so paperwork's a real problem too. That just goes in the bottom drawer of the desk that you'll see in a second when I clean up the desk. So after I've finished here, I will move into the dining room. I just need to clear off the table there where all the stuff is from where I worked out earlier this morning. If you would like to see my workout, it is a very sped up version of my workout or my early morning routine. So normally I get up between 5:30 and 6, and I will do a little bit of a cleanup and then I will work out. If you want to see that, I will link it in the description below, and I also put a card up here for you. And after that, I'll move into the living room. That's a very quick cleanup. There was just a few cups and stuff laying around. Wipe down the middle between the 2 chairs on the couch because that's where hubby and I sit, and put all our junk and drinks and stuff. Then I'll vacuum clean, which I have to do very regularly now because of 2 dogs. So I will do that, and the vacuum cleaner I use doing that is the Dyson V8. I got that about, a year ago. It is a great vacuum cleaner. We have, however, had some troubles with it, with the head on it, and we've had that back in, I think, 2 or 3 times now to the repairman, so that's probably not such a great thing about it, but maybe we just got a dud because everybody else raves about it, so I don't know what's happening there. And then I will move on to the master bedroom, which is a little bit cluttered at the moment. Currently our puppy Max has to sleep in our room. He was sort of being really reliant on being in our bed with us, which I don't like very much. There's Jettles. And in our bed between us, like, it's so uncomfortable. So we put a cage that we've had for all our dogs. Jet slept in it while he was a puppy, and then obviously other dogs we've had have slept in it as puppies. So we've had him in there, so now we've got the cage in our room, and our master bedroom isn't that big to begin with, and you put a cage in there with a dog in it and it becomes small, so it does look a little bit cluttered at the moment. Plus I did buy some new fitness equipment that has to sit in there, so I went out and brought it and didn't really think about where I was going to put it all. And you'll see, or you would have seen in the corner just back there a bit, there's a big bowl thing sitting there, and yeah, that's meant to be used for toning and balance, and I've got nowhere to put that either, so I really didn't think. And there's Max sleeping after causing us to have no sleep because he cries all night. He's having his nap. So after I finish in the master bedroom, then I will move on to the bathroom, which just needs a quick going over. Mirrors done, vanity done, and then the toilet. And obviously everybody knows what you do when you're cleaning a toilet. I did video an after shot of the master bedroom clean, and for some reason it didn't come through when I downloaded all my footage, so I'm really sorry about that. I was really trying hard to show you both the befores and afters of every room that I cleaned, but it didn't work out. So if you enjoy this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to hit that red subscribe button down below and the notification bell, so the next time I upload, you know about it. And I would like to give a really big thanks to the really big support I got on my laundry motivation video. You have no idea how much it means to me, especially as a really tiny YouTuber, when you get that much support, and you know, it makes it feel all worthwhile. So a big thank you for that, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.